Hi, my name is Denis Oakley and I'm here to tell you a little bit about my workshop, my business strategy workshop using the business model canvas. Basically, the idea here is to help you understand what your business is like, what the threats are to the business, and how you can actually transform the business and make it far more productive, boost revenues, boost sales, and have a much more happy and successful life. The underlying basis of it is this concept called the business model canvas, which is a very simple way of capturing your business in 9 little segments. And then when we get this on a screen right in front of you, you can see how all the different components of your business works together. And then you can ask very interesting questions. Okay, what happens if we don't charge for products? What happens if we get rid of this particular customer segment? What happens if we change our value proposition? This then gives you very significant insights into how your business works and how you can then get out and change it, and with wonderful effects in the marketplace. And who's this for? This is typically for corporations, startups and small businesses who are in a position where sales aren't growing, they're feeling the economic pressure, they're not liking where you are at, and you want to change. You want to change, and you know that you need to do something. Yeah, most of my customers, when they come into this course, they have been working, they've been doubling down on sales, they've been doubling down on marketing, they've been doubling down on cost management in the production facilities. The focus being focused on going faster. The question is, have you been going in the right direction? If you're going fast in the wrong direction, that's a big problem. What we're looking at in this course is, where is the right direction? How can you go in that direction? Or if you're already going in the right direction, how do you do it better so that you're not up against the red forces of competition? So please have a look, download and give me a call. Feel free to ask me any questions. My name is Denis Oakley and I'm a strategy consultant.